Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 41 and teach you how to use have you, are you, don't you in our day-to-day life. For example, Ram lives in Delhi, doesn't he? So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 41. Have you, are you, don't you, etc. Section A. I bought a new car. Oh, have you? I am writing a book. Are you really? What about? I don't like George. Don't you? Why not? You can say, have you? Is it? Can't he? etc. to show that you are interested or surprised. You are late. Oh, am I? I am sorry. I was ill last week. Were you? I didn't know that. It's raining again. Is it? It was sunny 10 minutes ago. There is a problem with the car. Is there? What's wrong with it? Bill can't drive. Can't he? I didn't know that. I am not hungry. Aren't you? I am. Sue isn't at work today. Isn't she? Is she ill? Use do, does for the present simple and did for the past simple. I speak 4 languages. Do you? Which ones? Ben doesn't eat meat. Doesn't he? Does he eat fish? Nicola got married last week. Did she? Really? Section B. Question tags. You can use have you, is it, can't she, etc. at the end of a sentence. These mini questions are question tags. Positive sentence and negative question tag. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, it's perfect. Kate lives in London, doesn't she? Yes, that's right. You closed the window, didn't you? Yes, I think so. Those shoes are nice, aren't they? Yes, very nice. Tom will be here soon, won't he? Yes, probably. Negative sentence and positive question tag. That isn't your car, is it? No, it's my mother's. You haven't met my mother, have you? No, I haven't. Helen doesn't go out much, Does she? No, she doesn't. You won't be late, will you? No, I am never late. Now it's time for exercises. 41.1. Answer with do you, doesn't she, did they, etc. Number 1. I speak 4 languages. Do you? Which ones? Number 2. I work in a bank. Do you? I work in a bank too. Number 3. I didn't go to work yesterday. Didn't you? Were you ill? Number 4. Jane doesn't like me. Doesn't she? Why not? Number 5. You look tired. Do I? I feel fine. Number 6. Kate phoned me last night. Did she? What did she say? 41.2. Answer with have you? Haven't you? Did she? Didn't she? Etc. Number 1. I bought a new car. Have you? What make is it? Number 2. Tim doesn't eat meat. Doesn't he? Does he eat fish? Number 3. I've lost my key. Have you? When did you last have it? Number 4. Sue can't drive. Can't she? She should learn. Number 5. I was born in Italy. Were you? I didn't know that. Number 6. I didn't sleep well last night. Didn't you? Was the bed uncomfortable? Number 7. There is a film on TV tonight. Is there? Are you going to watch it? Number 8. I am not happy. Aren't you? Why not? Number 9. I saw Paula last week. Did you? How is she? Number 10. Maria works in a factory. Does she? What kind of factory? Number 11. I won't be here next week. Won't you? Where will you be? Number 12. The clock isn't working. Isn't it? It was working yesterday. 41.3. Complete these sentences with a question tag. Isn't it? Haven't you? Etc. Number 1. It's a beautiful day. Isn't it? Yes, it's perfect. Number 2. These flowers are nice. Aren't they? Yes. What are they? Number 3. Jane was at the party. Wasn't she? Yes, but I didn't speak to her. Number 4. You have been to Paris. Haven't you? Yes, many times. Number 5. You speak German. Don't you? Yes, but not very well. Number 6. Martin looks tired. Doesn't he? Yes, he works very hard. Number 7. You will help me, won't you? Yes, of course, I will. 41.4. Complete these sentences with a question tag. Positive, is it, do you, etc. Or negative, isn't it, don't you, etc. Number 1. You haven't got a car, have you? No, I can't drive. Number 2. You aren't tired, are you? No, I feel fine. Number 3. Lisa is a very nice person, isn't she? Yes, everybody likes her. Number 4. You can play the piano, can't you? Yes, but I am not very good. Number 5. You don't know Mike's sister, do you? No, I have never met her. Number 6. Sarah went to university, didn't she? Yes, she studied psychology. Number 7. The film wasn't very good, was it? No, it was terrible. Number 8. Anna lives near you, doesn't she? That's right, in the same street. Number 9. You won't tell anybody what I said, will you? No, of course not. This is the end of unit number 41. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 42. Till then, bye bye.